Hello everyone, welcome to our channel VR1. As we have observed, maximum students struggling in maths, they dislike the mathematics more. Why? Because they don't know the basic concepts properly. Today in this video, we are going to explain about the basic concept of mathematics to understand the mathematics easily. The first concept is number system, second Borman's rule, third HCF and LCM, fourth sign rules, and fifth simplification of fractions, sixth simplification of decimals, and seventh square and square roots, cube and cube roots, and lastly the divisibility test. Okay, the first concept is number system. So in this number system is further classified into real numbers and imaginary numbers. Again, the further classified into real number into rational numbers and irrational numbers. Again, rational number into integers, whole numbers, and natural number. Natural number again classified into prime numbers and composite numbers. Let us see one by one. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers which are used for counting. It is denoted by the letter capital N. And the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Classified into prime numbers and composite number. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by itself and as itself and 1. For example, 5. 5 is divisible by 1 and itself. It does not have any other factors. Then it is called as prime numbers. What are composite numbers? Composite numbers is nothing but except the prime numbers. Prime numbers between ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ numbers ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ composite numbers are there. Here composite numbers having more factors. For example, 6. 6 having the factor 1 and 6, 2 and 3. Then 6 is then called as composite number. And what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the numbers including 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is denoted by capital letter W. And integers. Integers are the numbers which includes positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0. Negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. Together we call it as integers. Here positive numbers can be represented by plus I, negative is I minus, and integers denoted by capital letter I or Z. And rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers which is represented in the form of P by Q is called as rational numbers. Example 2 by 3, etc. And the numbers which are represented, which cannot be represented in the form of P by Q is called as irrational numbers. And real numbers. Real numbers are the numbers together, rational and irrational. Together we call as real numbers. And what are imaginary numbers? Imaginary numbers are square root of negative integer. For example, square root of 4. We can represent it as I, small letter I. Like square root of 4 can be represented as square root positive 4 into square root of minus 1. Here I is equals to root of minus 1. It is represented as 4i. 4i is an example for imaginary. The second concept is Borman's rule. Here the abbreviation of Borman's is B for bracket, O for half, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. See the example how we can simplify using Borman's rule. So here first we have to simplify brackets. So bracket here from here to here. So in that we have first we have to do the division. So 4 into 10 plus, if we divide this 15 divided by 3 we get 3. Remaining right as it is 2 into 2. Okay. The next step is we have to add or subtract. We need to check. So here we have addition, subtraction and multiplication. In the order we have multiplication. So we have to do multiplication first. 4 into 10 plus 3 plus 4 minus 2 2s are 4. Next, in this order we have addition first. So 4 into 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 minus 4 remaining. So 4 into 17 minus 4 is 13. Here bracket is nothing but multiplication. 13 4s are 52. In that bracket we have 4 types. First is line bracket, second one is parenthesis, third one is flower bracket, and last one is big bracket. Next, the third concept is HCF and LCM. First is HCF. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. H for highest, C for common, F for factor. Here HCF is the largest positive integer that divides the number without leaving remainder. For example, if you take the numbers 8 and 12, here HCF can be done by two methods. One is prime factorization method, another one is division method. You can do this by two different methods. First, okay, we have two different types of methods. One is prime factor method, another one is division method. Here prime factor method, here we have to take the two numbers separately. If we divide 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Like that 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are. Here 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, and 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Here we have to find highest common factor. Here the common factors are 2 and 2 as well as 1. So we can write that as 2 into 2 into 1. That gives the answer 4. HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Similarly, we can carry out by division method. Here we have to take the divisor as outside the smallest number 8 and inside the dividend as 12. 8 ones are 8, remainder will be 4. Again we have to take the divisor 8 as dividend. Here 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. Until the remainder becomes 0, we have to carry out. When it becomes 0, the final answer will be the divisor. The divisor is 4, the HCF also 4 for 8 and 12.